Okay, I'd like to show you how you can trace dependents and precedents. There's a difference. First of all, you'd look at a number like this and say, first of all, let's start here. Are there any precedents or dependents? Well, actually, this number has both. So you could actually go to the formula tab, and then you click on, you want to trace the precedents. You see, there are precedents on this one. Now, if I wanted to track and see if there are any dependents, why did I say there's both? Because watch, hit the dependents. Sure there is. Think about what it's saying. Are there any numbers or anything that precede this number that affect this total? Sure, it's these. Now, are there any dependents? Sure. Or is there any number in this whole worksheet that depends on this number? Sure, this total. Without these numbers, all of them, you wouldn't have this total. That's the difference between precedents, that preceded, and dependents. Are there any numbers other than that depend on it? Sure, this one depends on these numbers. Now, let's remove both of them. Remove the precedents and remove the dependents. Now, I couldn't remove it there for a second. Have to be in that number to remove it. Okay, now you look over here. Does that have any dependents? And does it have any precedents? Now you think about it. Naturally, because you see what this number is, look at the formula. It says, I'm taking K21, right here, this number, multiplying it times 0.153. Now, think about it again. Are there any precedents? Yes. There are precedents because this number depends on this one over here and it precedes it. Now, does this number have any dependents? No. There's no other formula or other cells that depend on this answer. In other words, some other cell that depends on this number? No. Watch. You see? It has no formulas that depend on that number over here. It has precedents. You see the difference?